Hi friends, SBI PO Prelims paper number 50 explanation quantitative aptitude. So look at question number 31 onwards. It's a wrong number series. Reasoning faculty will explain this. Then 36 onwards. Refer to the pie chart and answer the given questions. Distribution of total number of management students in 7 towns and distribution of total number of male students in 7 towns. This is total and that one is male. How to get female? Total minus male. So I would like to follow with ratio method. Cancel 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 17 times, 4 10 times. So total 17 parts, in that males are 10 parts. Total 17 parts is equal to 1% is in that category. So 1% value 680. 17 parts value 680, then 1 part value 40. Or else 10 parts is nothing but 1% in that category. 1% means 400. 10 parts is also equal to 400. There also 1 part value 40. Both the cases 1 part value is 40 only. Look at the question. What is the difference between total number of male management students in towns C, D, Z together and total number of female management students in the same towns together? Total number of female management students in the same towns together. See, same towns, male minus female. Male minus female. See, male students of C, D, Z. C 12%, D 18, 30%, G 14, 44%. Males are 10 parts. 44 into 10 means 440 parts are males. How to get female? Total minus male. Total CDZ, C 11, 20, 31, 23, 54 into total 17 parts. Total minus males are 440 parts. Already you know that. 1754 times means 850 plus 68, 918 parts. 918 parts minus 440. 900 minus 400 means 500. 18 minus 40 means minus 22. 500 minus 22 means 478 parts. Difference is 38 parts. Already you know that 1 part value 40. 38 parts value 38 into 40. 0, 3, 2. 15, 20 is your answer. 15, 20 is your answer. Second option. Next. Central angle corresponding to the number of management students in town G. Town G 23% has 1% value 3.6 degree. 23% means 23 into 3.6. 23 3s are 69. 23.6 times 23.6 times 13.8 together 82.8 degrees. 82.8 degrees. Total number of male management students in towns A and B together. A and B together male management. Already you know the ratio 17 is to 10. A 16, B 10, 26%. 26 into 10, 260 parts. Is what percent lesser than management students in town D? 20%. 20 into 17, 340 parts. Percentage less means difference by more value. So difference is 80, more value 340 into 100. 400 by 17. 17 2s are 34, left with 60. 17 3s are 51. 23 9 by 17. Third option. Average number of female students in towns A, B, E, F. How to get female? Total minus male. A, B, E, F. A 15, B 9, 24. E 14. 24 plus 14, 38. F 8, 38 plus 8, 46 into 17 parts minus A, B, E, F. 16 or 10, 26. 20, 46, 10, 56 into 10 parts. 10 to 68 plus 10, 782 minus 560. Triple 2 parts. Already you know one part value 10, sorry, one part value 40. Triple 2 parts means triple 2 into 40. This is total. Asked to calculate average by 4. 2220 is your answer. Simple. Note not to follow percentage approach, somehow time taking. Respective ratio between a number of management students in a town B. 9 into 17 parts. And the total number of male management students in a town F and G together. F and G together. F 10, G 14, 24 into 10 parts. 24 into 10 parts. 3 3s are 3 8s are 3 17s are 51 is to 80 is your answer. 51 is to 80. Next, study the following table carefully to answer the given questions. Languages are French, German, Spanish, Latin, Japanese. Total number of students. Percentage of students who have enrolled for the given languages from different schools. Different schools are A, B, C, D. First one. What is the respective ratio between total number of students who enroll for French in school A and C together? French, school A and C together. 18% of 1500. 18% of 1500. Nothing but 270 plus 25% of 1500. 25% of 1500. 375. A and C together, and the total number of students who enroll for Spanish in the same schools together. Spanish in the same schools together. 35 plus 19. 35 plus 19. 54% of 1000 means 540. 370, 270, 645 is to 540. Three twos are 6, 3 15s are 3 180 times, 543 times, 536 times. 43 is to 36. First option is your answer. What is the difference between number of students who enroll for German, Japanese and Latin in school C and number of students who enroll for the same languages in school D? School C, school D. School C, school D. Difference between German, Japanese, Latin. German, Japanese, Latin. 23 minus 24 means minus 1% of 1200. Minus 12. 36 minus 14 means 22. 22% of 1400. 20% of 280. 2% of 28. 280 plus 28, 308. Japanese. 26 minus 18, 8% of 2000, nothing but 160. 160. So 308 minus 12, 308 minus 12, 196 plus 160 together 356 is your answer. Sorry. 308 plus 160, 468. 468 minus 12, 456. 456, first option. Next. In school B, there are 680 female students. Out of these, 20% enroll for French class, 15% enroll for Spanish class. How many male students for French and Spanish together from school B? School B, French, Spanish. French, Spanish. School B, French, Spanish. 20% of 1500 means 300. 24% of 1000 means 240. Total 540 students are here. Out of 540, 20 plus 15, 35% of 680 are female. 35% of 680 are female. 35% means 25% plus 10%. 25% means 170 plus 10% means 68. Total 238 are female. So remaining are males. 302 are males. 302 are males. Next. Total number of students who enroll for German and Japanese languages together in school D is what percent lesser than the total number of students who enroll for the same languages together in school B? School D, German, Japanese. School D, German 24%, Japanese 18%. 24% of 1200, 288. 18% of 2000, 360. Together 648. That is from school D. Then from school B, German 32% of 1200, 384. And Japanese 33% of 2000, 660. 1044. Percentage less means difference by more value. 1000 minus 600 means 400. 44 minus 48 means minus 4. 396 by more value 1044 into 100. Approximately 38%. 38%. What is the average number of students from school A who have enrolled for any of the given languages? All the languages average. 18% of 1500, 270. 21% of 1200, 252. 35% of 1000, 350. 22% of 1400, 308. 23% of 2000, 460. Total average means by 5. 8 plus 2, 10. 5 plus 5, 10, 16, 17, 24, 6, 9, 12, 14, 16. 1640. Average means 5 languages here. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are. 328 is your answer. Next. Caselet. Study the following information carefully to answer the questions. Rakshak decided to start a new company ABC. He wanted to buy some furniture, AC, desktops and personal laptops for employees. Furniture includes tables, chairs, cabinets. Desktop includes monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay. Furniture. Furniture includes table, chair, cabinets. Table, chair, cabinets. Table, chair, cabinets. That is furniture. AC, furniture, AC. Next, desktops. Desktop includes monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and then mouse. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and then mouse. And personal laptop. Personal laptop. So these are the items he required. Table, chair, cabinet, monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. If you look at the data, if you look at the data, only one value we should find here in the entire data. One value should find. Cost of a keyboard is 1250. Cost of a keyboard is 1250, which is 5/13 of the cost of a chair. Out of 13 parts, 5 parts value 1250. 5 parts value 1250. 1 part value 250. Then 13 parts value 250 into 13. 250 into 13. 3250. Cost of a chair is 3250. Then coming to the starting point. Cost of each table is 2.4 times of the cost of a chair. 2.4 times. 2 times value 6500. 0.4 times means 4%. So 1% value 325. 4% value 1300. 6500 plus 1300 means 7800. Table 7800. Cabinet is 3 times of the cost of a table. 3 times of 7000, 21,000. 3 times of 800, 2400, 23,400. Cabinet is 23,400. Cost of a laptop is equal to the sum of cost of one table and one cabinet. One table, one cabinet. 23 plus 7, 30,000. 800, 400, 1200, 31,200. Cost of a laptop. 31,200. Next, cost of a monitor is 40% more than cost of a chair. Monitor is 40% more than cost of a chair. 10% 3,000 to 325. 40% means 4 times 1300. So 1300 extra. So 1300 extra means 4550. Monitor is 4550. CPU is 1450 more than cost of a monitor. 1450 extra means 6000. Mouse is 30% of the cost of a CPU, 1800. Cost of a keyboard is 1250, which is 5/13 of the cost of a chair. AC cost 2400 lesser than the laptop. 2400 lesser than the laptop. 31,000 minus 2000, 29,000. 200 minus 400 means minus 200, 28,800. AC 28,800. That's the given data. Look at the questions. It was initially decided that 10 employees will be given desktops only, but later instead of desktops they were given laptops. What is the percentage increase in the expenditure in case of these 10 employees? So actually desktop includes all these 4 values: 6,000, 4,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 800, 200,000, 13,000, 550, 50, 600, 13,600, 13,800. 4, 6, 10, 12, 1350, 1050 plus 550, 1050 plus 550, 1600, 200, 1800, 13,800 desktop. But laptop is 31,200. Percentage increase means difference by less value. Sorry, 13,600. If you add these values, you will get 13,600. Yes. 550, 50, 13,600, 31,200. So percentage increase means difference by less value. 31 minus 13, 18,000. 200 minus 600 means minus 400. 18,000 minus 400 means 17,600 by 13,600 into 100. Two zeros will get cancelled. 8 17s are 8 22s are 2,200 by 17. 17 ones are 17, remaining 50. 17 twos are 34, remaining 160. 17 9s are 153. So 129, 7 by 17, first option. Next. In the boardroom, one cabinet, 4 tables, 20 chairs, and 2 ACs are to be provided. If for this bulk purchase the seller offered a discount of 10%, what was the total amount paid by Raksha? 10% discount means you need to pay 90% only, right? 90% means 9 multiple is your answer. First option 21, no. Second option 1 plus 9, 10, no. 5 plus 5, 20, no. Third option 10, no. 20, 28, no. Fourth option 10, no. 15, 24, no. Fifth option is your answer. 9 multiple is your answer. Each cubicle in the office has to be provided with 1 table, 2 chairs, 1 cabinet, 1 desktop. What cost will be incurred in order to provide these items in a cubicle? Cubicle includes 1 table. Table cost is 7,800. 1 table means 7,800. 2 chairs. Each chair 3,250. 2 chairs means 6,500. 1 cabinet. 23,400. And 1 desktop. Desktop means including all these values 13,600. Already we did earlier question. Zeros. 10, 15, 23, 3, 3, 6, 8, 14, 21, 51,300. First option is your answer. Next. If a cubicle for a clerk has only 1 chair and 1 table, and a cabin for junior manager has 1 chair, 1 table, 1 AC. We did a mistake. It's 28,800. Okay. What is the respective ratio between cost of furnishing the cubicle and the cabin? Cubicle for a clerk has only 1 chair, 1 table. Chair 7,800, 3,250, table 7,800. 7,000, 3,000, 10,000, 800, 200,000, 11,050. And manager has chair, table total 11,050 and AC 28,800. 28,800. 28,000 plus 11,000. 39,850. 0, 0. 5, 221 times 5 7s are 35, 48, 5 9s are 45, 5 7s are 35. 221 is to 797, first option. Next. If the cost of a monitor, keyboard and mouse increased by 14%, 20%, 25% respectively, what will be the total cost of a desktop given that the cost of CPU remains the same? Monitor increased by 14%. Already 4,550 increased by 14%. So 10% 455. 1% 45.5. 2% 91. 4% 182. 637 increases. 45 plus 6 51. 5,187. That is monitor. And keyboard increased by 20%. 20% increase means 250 increases, 1500. And mouse increased by 25%. 25% means 450 increases, 2,250. And no change in CPU 6,000. So answer ends with 7. Ends with 7 means fourth option is your answer. 14,937. Next. Quadratic equations. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Minus 6 minus 2 will give us minus 8. Finally plus 6 plus 2. 6 by 3 means 2. 2 by 3. 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8, minus 4 minus 2 will give us minus 6, finally plus 4 plus 2, 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. Greater than, greater than, greater than, greater than. X greater than Y is your answer. 12 8s are 96. Minus 12 plus 8 will give us minus 4. Minus 12 plus 8 will give us minus 4. Finally, plus 12 minus 8. X values are plus 12 minus 8. 9 8s are 72. Plus 9 plus 8 will give us plus 17. Finally, minus 9 minus 8. Greater than, greater than, greater than, equal. X greater than or equals to Y. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. 23 times also 60. Minus 20 minus 3 will give us minus 23. Finally, plus 20 plus 3. 20 by 5 means 4. 3 by 5. 10 9s are 90. 15 6s are 90. Minus 15 minus 6 will give us minus 21. Finally, plus 15 plus 6. 15 by 10 means 3 by 2. 6 by 10 means 3 by 5. 3 by 2, 3 by 5. Greater than, less than, no relation. Next. 5 13s are 65. Factors also same, 13 comma 5 only. 13 plus 5 will give us 18. Finally, minus 13 minus 5. Minus 13 by 5. Minus 5 by 5 means minus 1. 3 2s are 6. Factors also 3 comma 2 only. Plus 3 plus 2 will give us plus 5. Finally, minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 by 3 means minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Less than, equal, less than. X less than or equals to Y. Next. Quantity 1, quantity 2 comparisons. Percentage of cement in mortar. 900 kg of mortar consists of 45% sand, 144 kg of lime, and the rest is cement. So we need to calculate percentage of cement. 45% sand. This 144 kg nothing but 16% of 900. 16% of 900. So 45 plus 16, 61% is over. So remaining cement nothing but 39%. 45 plus 16, 61% is over. So cement is 39%. Quantity 2. Percentage of apples thrown by the vendor. A vendor sells 60% of the apples he had. Suppose if he had 100%, he sells 60%. And throws away 15% of the remainder. So remainder is 40. In that 15% means 6% is throws away. 60% sold out, 6% throws away, 66 is over. So remaining 34%. Next day he sells 50% of the remainder. So remainder 34. In that 50% he sell away and throws away the rest, 17 rest. Total 23% is he throws away. Quantity 1 39, quantity 2 23, 1 greater than 2. Next. Highest score we need to find out. Average marks of a student in 8 subjects is 87. 8 subjects is 87. Total 8 into 87. Of these, highest marks are 2 more than the next in value. These 2 subjects are eliminated. Average marks of the remaining subjects is 85. Out of 8 subjects, 2 subjects are eliminated. Remaining 6 subjects average 85. Then those 2 subjects total means 8 subjects total minus 6 subjects total. 880 times 640 plus 56, 696 minus 480 plus 30, 510. 186 is the total of the remaining 2 subjects. In the two subjects, highest score is 2 marks lesser than the lowest score. So 184 half means 92, lowest score, highest score 94. Then only 92 plus 94 will give us 186. So highest score is 94. Number of officers. The average monthly salary of an employee consisting of officers and workers of an organization is 3000. Combination 3000. Average salary of an officer is 10,000, while that of a worker is 2000. 10,000 minus 3,000, 7,000. 3,000 minus 2,000 means 1,000. Officers and workers are in the ratio of 1:7. There are total 400 employees in the organization. Then the number of officers. Officers are 1 part out of 8 parts. 50 officers, 1 greater than 2. Next. Cost to price of an article. If an article is sold at 8% profit instead of 8% loss, it would have brought 12 rupees more. 8% profit instead of 8% loss. 8% loss means 92. 8% profit means 108. 90 to 108 difference 16% value 12 rupees. Cost to price means 100% is how much? 4 4s are 4 3s are 4 25s are 100, 3 25s are 75 rupees cost to price. Quantity 2. Cost to price of the book. A man sells a book at a profit of 20%. If cost to price is 100%, sells it at 20% profit means selling price 120. If we had bought it at 20% less, new cost price 80%, and sold it for 18 rupees less, he would have gained 25%. 25% profit in second case means 25% profit in second case cost price. What is second case cost price? 80. In this 25% profit means nothing but 20% profit. Then selling price became 100%. Initially 120, right now 100. 20% decreases because we sell it for 18 rupees less. We sell it for 18 rupees less. So 20% is equal to 18. Original cost price 100% 90 rupees. Quantity 1 75. This is 90. 1 less than 2. Ajit can complete a piece of work in 60 days. Ajit can complete a piece of work in 60 days. Whereas Kailas and Shailendra working together can complete it in 15 days. Kailas and Shailendra working together can complete it in 15 days. When Ajit and Shailendra alternatively work for a day, each then working gets completed in 40 days. Ajit, Shailendra alternatively completes work in 40 days. In 40 days, they work alternatively. Means out of 40, alternate days means Ajit works for 20 days, Shailendra also works for 20 days. In this 20 days, Ajit can do 20 by 60 means 1/3 is over. Ajit can do in 20 days 1/3 of the work. So the remaining 2/3 work was done by Shailendra in 20 days. 2/3 in 20 days, then total complete done by Shailendra 30 days. Out of 40, Ajit works for 20 days. In this 20, Ajit can do 1/3 of the work. So the remaining 2/3 of the work was done by Shailendra in 20 days. 2/3 in 20 days means Shailendra can do the full work in 30 days. Shailendra, Kailas together can do the work in full work in 15 days means Kailas also can do the work in 30 days. 1 by 30 plus 1 by 30, 2 by 30 means 15 days. Number of days in which Kailas will complete twice the work. Single work 30 days, twice the work 60 days. Kailas. Number of days in which Shailendra will complete twice the work. Shailendra will complete twice the work also in 60 days. 1 equal to 2. Next. In the given figure, PT is a tangent to the circle. Angle BTP is equal to 56 degrees. and A is any point on the minor arc BT. Angle BAT, angle BOT. The given circle BTP, angle BTP 56 degrees. This value 56 degrees. 56 degrees. A is any point on the minor arc A. Let's take it as A is any point. Center of the circle is O. OT, OA, OT, OA, OB. See, this is center of the circle is O, OT, OB. OT, OB. So OT nothing but radius, OB also radius. The radius of the circle makes an angle of 90 degrees with the tangent. Radius of the circle makes an angle of 90 degrees with the tangent. Out of 90, already I am having 56, so remaining is 34 degrees. Remaining is 34 degrees. 56 plus 34, 90. As here, if you observe, OT, OB, both are radius, both are equal. Means this is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means these two angles are also equal 34 degrees. 34 to 34, 68. 68 is over, means remaining is 112 degrees. 112 degrees. If I extend this line A, angle A is half of 112, that is theorem. Half of 112 means 56 degrees. If you mix these two, this is one quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. This is one cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles are 180 degrees. Out of 180, already I am having 56 here. So this must be 124 degrees. Why? Because in cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is 180. Out of 180, already 56 is over. So remaining 126. Angle BAT, 124. Angle BOT, 112. 1 greater than 2 is your answer. Next. Question number 60. The sum of the radius and height of a cylinder is 26 meters. The sum of the radius and height of a cylinder is 26 meters. Surface area of the cylinder is 2288. What is its volume? Volume of the cylinder means pi r square h. Pi stands for 11 multiple is your answer. First option no. 11 multiple. Second option no. Third option no. Fourth option S. 11 multiple. Fifth option no. Fourth option is your answer. 5 years hence, Karan's age will be 4/7 times of his mother's age at that time. 5 years hence, Karan's age will be 4/7 times means 4:7. Karan and mother. 12 years ago, the respective ratio of Karan's mother's age and Karan's age was 20:9. 12 years ago, mother and Karan 20:9. Karan and mother 9:20. Karan and mother. What is the respective ratio of Karan's mother's present age and Karan's present age? Present ages ratio we need to calculate. Try to make the common difference as same. Multiply the first equation with 3, second equation with 11. 27:60. 44:77. 17 parts increases for a gap of 17 years. 12 years ago, after 5 years, there is a gap of 17 years. For 17 years, 17 parts increases. Means 1 part for 1 year. 1 part for 1 year. After 5 years, ratio 44:77. Present ratio means we need to come backward 5 years. After 5 years ratio I know. Present ratio means 5 years backward we need to come. For every 1 year, 1 part will reduces. For 5 years, 5 parts will reduces. 44 minus 5, 39. 77 minus 5, 72. 13 times 3, 24 times. This is Karan and mother. But the question is mother and Karan 24:13. 24:13. Lionel bought a new house. The selling price of the house was 16 lakhs. However, he availed a 20% discount as an early bird offer and then 5% further discount on the discount amount due to cash payment. At what price should he sell the house to earn a profit of 10%? Initial price is 16 lakhs. 20% discount means 3 lakhs 20,000 discount. So remaining 12 lakhs 80,000. In this 12 lakhs 80,000, again 5% further discount due to cash payment. 5% means 64,000 discount. So remaining final price 12 lakhs 16,000. On this 10% profit means 1 lakh 21,600 profit. So finally it became 13 lakhs 37,600. 13 lakhs 37,600. A boat running upstream takes 11/2/3 hours to cover a certain distance, while it takes 7 hours to cover the same distance running downstream. Upstream time, downstream time, 35/3 hours is to 7 hours. Nothing but 7 ones are 7 fives are. 5:3 is the ratio between time ratio. Then speed ratio 3:5. Speed ratio 3:5. What is the respective ratio between speed of the boat in still water and speed of the water current? M and S. M and S means downstream plus upstream by 2. Downstream minus upstream by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 5 plus 3, 8 parts. 5 minus 3, 2 parts. 4:1 is the answer. Train X leaves from station A towards station B at 5 p.m. Train Y leaves from station B towards station A at 7 p.m. Speed of train X is 81 km per hour and that of train Y is 59 km per hour. If the distance between A and B is 792 km, distance between A and B given as 792 km, train X at a speed of 81 kmph, at a speed of 81 kmph, train Y at a speed of 59 kmph, travels in opposite direction. Train X starts at 5 am, Y starts at 7 am, 7 pm, 5 pm, 7 pm. Means Y starts after 2 hours to the first train. In this 2 hours, first train had already covered 162 kilometers. In 1 hour 81, 2 hours 162. Out of 792, by 7 o'clock, first train already covered 162. Remaining 630 kilometers is the distance lagging. To cover that 630 kilometers, both the trains are in opposite direction. Means relative speed is addition. 59 plus 81, nothing but 140. 7 nines are 7 twos are. After 4.5 hours, both the trains will cross each other. But they don't ask us after how many hours. How far from station B will the two trains meet? From station B, 4.5 hours. Station B train speed is 59 kmph in 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours means 9/2. 8 1, 45 plus 8, 531/2. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 265.5 kilometers. 265.5 kilometers. Next. (65). In the figure given below, ABC is an isosceles right angle triangular field. A strip of land, a strip of land horizontally and vertically as shaded portion in the figure has been reserved for planting mango trees. What is the area available for planting mango trees? This shaded region is how much we need to calculate. AB 12, BC also 12. Why? Because these two are equal symbol given. This is 12 means AB also 12. And this value is 2. This is 2. 2, 2. This is also 2, 2. These two are right angle triangles. So from the remaining area, first of all, this remaining area, except those two triangles, the remaining area I would like to calculate here. So out of 12, already 2 is over. So remaining length is 10, width is 2, 10 2s are 20. This length also up to here 10, width is 2, 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 20, 40. But in this 40, this common area included 2 times. So one time we need to subtract. This is in the form of square shape, 2 square, 4 we need to subtract. And add these two triangles area. Half into base into height. 2 2s are 4. Half means 2. This is also this triangle area also 2. 4 4 will get cancelled. So area of the shaded region is 40. Area of the shaded region is 40. Answer is fifth option. Thank you.